Hi, my name is Chercher, and this channel is all about mindset and productivity to help you get more income, more impact, and more importantly, more freedom. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to build your confidence. If you are interested in knowing how to build your confidence, then keep on watching. The first step for you to take to build your confidence is to help someone else. While helping someone else, not only because you are focused on helping someone else getting results, you don't have time for self-criticizing. But also because you are helping someone else, you are not only improving your skills, but also this gives you a certain assurance and confidence that you are good at what you are doing. Second step for you to build your confidence is to ask for feedback. Ask feedback to someone you trust and who cares about your progress. Not because you care about others' opinion or validation, but because when you receive honest feedback from people you trust, you are able to improve and grow. The third step for you to build your confidence is to embrace and accept failure. Confidence is not just a feeling. It's a reward for all the consistent, challenging action you've been taking. So when you fail, instead of seeing it as the end, see it as a part of the journey for you to be building your confidence. Because in failure, there is power. And speaking of power of failure, make sure you check out my video right here where I share more about the power of failure. The fourth step into building your confidence is to find help. So, if you are building your confidence, don't be acting like Indiana Jones and think you can do it all by yourself. Make sure you ask for help because there are people out there who are here to help you. And while talking about help, I have a free workshop and you will find the link down below that will be helping you to get to your next level with ease. So don't forget, go ahead and click on the link to get instant access to my free workshop. So if you like that video, I would really appreciate if you leave me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know in which of these steps are you into building your confidence. Also, don't forget to subscribe because now I have 2 videos for you every single week here on this channel. And as always, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.